Most asphalt shingle roofs last between 15 and 30 years, but that range depends heavily on the choices you make. Understanding your roof's lifespan is the first step toward protecting one of your largest home investments. I'm going to walk you through what determines how long your shingles will last. It all starts with the shingle type. Standard 3-tab shingles are the most budget-friendly, typically lasting 15 to 20 years. However, in harsher environments with intense sun or hail, that figure often drops significantly. Architectural shingles are the most popular choice today, lasting 20 to 30 years. Their multi-layered, dimensional design provides better wind resistance and durability than standard tabs. For homeowners seeking maximum longevity, premium designer shingles can reach up to 50 years under ideal conditions. Beyond materials, your local climate plays a massive role. Intense UV radiation in sunny regions can dry out asphalt binders over time. Thermal cycling, the constant expansion and contraction from temperature swings, causes shingles to eventually curl and crack. One factor you can control is attic ventilation. Improper airflow can trap heat and moisture, literally baking your shingles from the inside out. Maintenance is also key. Clogged gutters can cause water to back up under the shingles, promoting rot and structural leaks. We recommend annual professional inspections to catch small issues like granule loss or damaged flashing before they become expensive problems. By choosing the right materials and staying proactive with care, you can ensure your roof protects your home for decades to come. Thanks for watching this guide to roof longevity. Stay proactive and your roof will take care of you.